You're invited to an open house to see everything Faith Academy has to offer. This morning we have Principal Barry Pickering and 11th grade student Grayson Mosley here to tell us all about Faith Academy. Good morning to both of y'all.
Good morning. Nice to be here. Thank you for having us.
Well, good to see you once again. And I'm going to start with you. Last time you were here, you're telling us about some new programs you had at the school. One of them for students with dyslexia, and you have some updates on that for us.
Yes, we had a pilot program this year with our dyslexia, and it's gone very well. We actually have a waiting list, and we'll continue going full bore with that this coming up year.
So many students can benefit from that. It's something that there's really nothing else like it in our area, so that's fantastic to have that opportunity at Faith. You're also starting some new programs as well.
Yeah, next year we're going to be starting a program called Elevate, and it's equipping leaders entering vocational and technical employment.
Very cool.
And that program is designed to teach students, whether they're going to college or whether they're going to go right into the workforce, some skills that'll be handy for them as they go to work.
Always important to prepare the students for what is after school, whatever that may be. So that's another great opportunity there. Grayson, tell us a little bit about your time at Faith Academy, and also I understand you're a trail mate as well.
Yes. Absolutely. I came to Faith in the middle of 8th grade, which is obviously a hard transitional time, but Faith made it so easy, and the opportunities they gave me have very well prepared me for trail.
So talk to us a little bit about trail. You were just named Queen, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
So tell us what that all means for the folks who aren't quite familiar with that.
That means that throughout my year, I will be the queen, which means I'll be in the front of the parades and I'll be the only one with the pink dress.
Hey, how about that? Very cool. So some great experiences at Faith Academy. And if you want to learn more about these programs that we're telling you about or everything that Faith has to offer, you guys are holding this open house, which we mentioned. Tell us about the open house.
Yeah, the open house will be on Sunday, this coming Sunday, the 16th. It will be from 12 to 3. We invite everybody to come out. It's going to be a really, really great time. We ask you, to come out and visit with us. If you're looking for a school, our school, the whole purpose of our school is to provide quality Christian education and get kids ready to go to the next level, whatever that level is for them. And our heart is to teach kids and to instill in kids a love for Jesus, and then also to teach them to love their neighbor like Jesus would.
And tell us a little bit about what years Faith Academy works with students.
We work with students from kindergarten 3 all the way up through the 12th grade, and we've been very successful. Even through COVID and all that kind of thing, we grew last year, and we're up a little over 100 students, and we had a great open house last year, and we're expecting another one this year.
All right, so the open house is this Sunday. We're going to have more information online if you'd come on out and like to learn more about the experience at Faith and perhaps become part of that Faith family. Y'all, thank you so much for coming in. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
All right, Michael.